This week we will meet the characters Red Hen, Fox, and Rex. Look out for Fox. What will Fox do? How will Rex help Red Hen? We will have to learn some words and skills before we read so we can find out what these characters do. The first word we're going to learn today is day. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Day. Day. Today is a school day. Say the word again after me. Day. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. D-A-Y. The letters A-Y stand for the long A sound. Blend with me. D-A. Now skywrite the word day. D-A-Y. Try to write it without looking. D-A-Y. The next word is every. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Every. Every. I get older every year. Say the word again after me. Every. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. E-V-E-R-Y. The first E stands for the short E sound, eh. The second E is silent. The letter Y stands for the long E sound, E. Blend each syllable with me. E-v-re. Every. Now skywrite the word every. E-V-E-R-Y. Try to write it without looking. E-V-E-R-Y. The next word is fly. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Fly. Fly. Geese fly south for the winter. Or there is a fly in the kitchen. The word fly has more than one meaning. It can be something you do or a noun that is an insect. Say the word again after me. Fly. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. F-L-Y. The letter Y stands for the long I sound, I. Blend with me. F-O-I. Fly. Now skywrite the word fly. F-L-Y. Try to write it without looking. F-L-Y. The next word is have. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Have. Have. I have a pencil you can borrow. Say the word again after me. Have. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. H-A-V-E. In this word, the letter A stands for the short A sound, ah. The letter E is silent. Blend with me. A-V. Have. Now skywrite the word have. H-A-V-E. Try to write it without looking. H-A-V-E. The next word is look. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Look. Look. Look both ways before crossing the street. Say the word again after me. Look. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. L-O-O-K. The letters O-O stand for the sound Blend with me. U-k. Look. Now write the word look. L-O-O-K. Try to write it without looking. L-O-O-K. The next word is made. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Made. Made. I made a pencil holder out of clay. Say the word again after me. Made. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. M-A-D-E. The letter A stands for the long A sound, A. The E is silent. Blend with me. M-A-D. Made. Now skywrite the word made. M-A-D-E. Try to write it without looking. M-A-D-E. The next word is they. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. They. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. T-H-E-Y. The letters TH stand for the sound V. The letters EY stand for the long A sound, A. Blend with me. V-A. They. Now skywrite the word they. T-H-E-Y. Try to write it without looking. T-H-E-Y. The last word we have this week is write. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Write. Write. She likes to write about her family. Say the word again after me. Write. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. W-R-I-T-E. The letters W-R stand for the sound R. The letter I stands for the long I sound, I. The E is silent. Blend with me. R-I-T. Right. Now, skywrite the word right. W-R-I-T-E. Try to write it without looking. W-R-I-T-E. Now let's read all the new words we learned together, starting on the first line. Day, every, fly, have, look, made, they, write. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Working with the sounds in words can help you become better readers and writers. Today you will be blending sounds to say words. Some, but not all of the words you will blend will match the pictures on the screen. I will say the sounds in a word, then you will blend the sounds to say the word. I will demonstrate one to remind you how it's done. If I say ch, ah, k, when I blend the sounds, I say the word ch, ah, k, chalk. The word matches picture number 5. Now let's try one together. Listen to the sounds. E. Say the sounds with me. E. Now blend the sounds to say the word. Me. Do you see a matching picture? No. Now it's your turn. Listen to the sounds and then blend the word. W-et. What's the word? Wet. Do you see a matching picture? No. Let's do some more. Ish. What's the word? Fish. Do you see a matching picture? Yes, number 4. The next word is k-a. What's the word? Cape. Do you see a matching picture? Yes, number 2. The next word is f-i-r. What's the word? Fire. Do you see a matching picture? Yes, number 3. The next word is what's the word? Hook. Do you see a matching picture? Yes, number 6. The next word is ul-og. What's the word? Log. Do you see a matching picture? Yes, number 1. Now you will blend words to form a word in a game somewhat like Simon Says. I will be Simon. As I give directions, I will say the sounds of one of the words. You have to blend the sounds to say the word and then follow the direction. So if I say, Simon says, shake your head. What did Simon say to shake? Your head. That's great. Okay, so now the first word is, Simon says, move like the floor is hot. The floor is what? Hot. Simon says, your toes. Ta. Very good. Now let's work with letters and sounds. You know the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and each one stands for many sounds. Elephant begins with the sound. The sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the sound is just the letter E. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the elephant. The letter E can stand for the sound at the beginning or the middle of a word. Let's look at the word d. Remember, R is a consonant, E is a vowel, so it can stand for many sounds, and D is also a consonant. When there is only one vowel sound in a word and it is followed by a consonant, what sound does the vowel usually stand for? The short vowel sound. Blend the word with me. D. Very good. Zebra begins with the Z sound. The Z sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the Z sound is just the letter Z. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the zebra. Look at the word zip. Zip. Remember, Z is a consonant, I is a vowel, so it can stand for many sounds, and P is also a consonant. When there is only one vowel in a word and it is followed by a consonant, what sound does the vowel usually stand for? The short vowel sound. Blend the word with me. Zip. Quail begins with the qu sound. The letters QU stand for the qu sound at the beginning of quail. Look at the word quit. The letters QU stand for the qu. I is a vowel and T is a consonant. When I cover the letters for the beginning sound, I see one vowel and followed by a consonant, so I know that the word has a short I sound. Listen as I blend the word. Quit. Fox ends with the x sound. The letter X stands for the x sound at the end of fox. The x sound usually comes at the end of a syllable. Look at the word ox. Fox. Remember, F is a consonant, O is a vowel, so it can stand for many sounds, and X is also a consonant. When there is only one vowel in a word and it is followed by a consonant, what sound does the vowel usually stand for? The short vowel sound. Blend the word with me. Ox. Fox. Let's do a word together. Look at the first two letters. Blend the first two letters. Me. Now we're going to blend all three together. Men. We have learned to read words with a short E vowel sound. Let's practice spelling them so we can use them in our own writing. Our new spelling words will have the short E sound spelled eh. This word is yet. Blend with me. Yet. Now you are going to practice writing the lowercase e and the lowercase f in your journal. You will start in the middle between the dotted line and the bottom line to do your E. Go up and around. To the right, up and around. Lowercase f, you start on the top line and you make a hook going down. Pick up your pencil and cross on the dotted line. Go up and down and cross. You will write 10 lowercase e's and 10 lowercase f's. Please do not forget your finger spaces. Now you are ready to read Run Hens Run.